In this video, we will explore the two useful features, Quick Find Entity and Find Entity. Let's start with Quick Find Entity. This feature allows you to quickly locate all entities associated with the element name that you have selected on the current floors. It is an incredibly useful tool for identifying which area you have already worked on and which still need attentions. To use this feature, simply just right-click on the selected element and choose Quick Find Entity from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key Alternate plus left-click on the element names. For your information, this feature has its ability to group multiple types of elements. Now, let's move on to Find Entity. You can activate this feature by pressing Ctrl plus F or finding it under Other tabs. With these two, you can search for a specific entity using three options: by name, by entity ID, or advanced find. In this video, we will focus on by name and advanced find. By name allows you to locate all entities based on their assigned name. You can always play around with full match by element name to improve the searching results. Advanced Find lets you search for the entities by referring to the additional attributes information that you have input. For example, if you have added a remarks like special desk to certain entities and want to find them, simply just select Advanced Find, tick the attribute special desk and search. The list of matching entities will be displayed below. From there, just click on any entity in the list and it will take you directly to its exact locations.